Hello, welcome back to the channel. And today we have this Dog Blaster. It totally doesn't say Nerf dog. Dog Blaster. So today we're gonna be messing around with this. And I do need a treat. My glue treats are right here. Ta-da! Treat. I'll put that in my pocket. So, since it's a blaster, we got some of these in here. Don't mind the fact that they're a little dirty. I unboxed them earlier. Tested them out. They work. Don't ask me why I did test it out. I did. So Max has already seen this. Then again, before the testing, he's seen it. Since I used this when we first got him. Around that time, at least. Not like, oh, I got a dog. Time to use this on him. No, that didn't happen. My grandma bought him, though. Thank goodness he did. Or she did. Thank goodness she did. So, I'm going to outside now. We're going to go see Max. He's probably running around like normal. You guys probably don't want to sit here and just watch me talk about this all day and how I got Max. Like all the stories. I have videos for that, first of all. Second of all, you probably don't want to sit here and hear me talk a lot. You want to see Max run around and speak. Because he's the star of the show. Alright. We're out here. With the Maxie boy. That's it. Oh, that works pretty well, actually. Hey, Max. I have a treat. Can I have it? Can I have the treat? No. No, not right now. I use the treat later. So, you ready to see what this thing does? But you already showed me like a minute ago. Yeah, I did. Anyways. Look at him. He loves it. Now, in my test run of this, I had an issue with getting them back. That's the whole reason why I got a treat. And when I tried recording this, I accidentally hit stop the recording. So, luckily I was only like a minute in, so wasn't that bad. Now, Max, I know how much you love to try to get these tennis balls. So I'm gonna use my treats. I have treats for I have treats for a reason, okay? I have treats for a reason. And that's not for you to jump at. Let me just... No. Hey, no. Just get this. And this one. Oh yeah, and this one too. There we go. They're all in here. I mean, I didn't think I had a fourth one, so I know they're all in here. And the best part is, I didn't have to use a single treat. Drink some water. I was going to bring more out for you, but it doesn't seem like you're low on water, so. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. I got all my water and that I'm gonna need, and yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. But why do you ask? Ooh! I have one. I have one. And he's off to get another, I think. Yeah, he's getting another. It's all the way over there. You bringing it back for me? Actually, I could go ahead and put these in here. Thank you, Max. Hey, they're all mine. Stop taking them. Yeah, sure. Sure, they're all yours. They're all yours, totally. Let me just... Another. And finally, Max, can you go retrieve that one for me? No? Fine. And now, I have them all. You ready, Max? Yes, of course I'm ready. Okay, good. There he goes. He has all of them now. Or, he can only hold one, but he wants to hold all of them. That's what he really wants to do. And there he is. Alright, I'm gonna refill this one more time. And I'm gonna shoot it one more time. Oh wait, first. There we go. It's reloaded now. One more time. Alright. We got all three of them, Max. You ready for the big finale? Yeah. Okay, good. It requires me getting on the trampoline. And no, you're not coming with me. Although, you might someday. I might bring you back up here, like I did back in episode 1. Like my first video. Oh no. I probably should have let all the water on the trampoline before I got up here. When I jump, the water's gonna come in. I don't want that. Too bad. It's going to. Alright, the big finale. Oh. What in the world? It just fell out. It didn't launch. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Let's try this again now. Hopefully this works. 3, 2, 1. It did not. And one of them stuck in there. Here, let me try this again. One more time. All right, this better work since we're getting some water starting to leak in. What? What am I doing wrong here? I restarted the entire process. What did I do wrong? Does it just not like heights? Does it hate jumping? Is that what it is? All right. This thing really hurts. Look, I pulled this up and it moves forward so fast and it just pinches me. My finger hurts now. I think I might have to do this on the ground. Alright, one final time I'm trying this. This thing hurts. The trigger's jammed. is going on? Now the trigger's jammed, Max. This isn't working. What am I doing wrong here? It did another zip forward. This time it didn't hurt, luckily. I didn't get pinched. But yeah, I don't think this thing's gonna work no more. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, man. I was really excited to see how far it'd go on the trampoline. Guess I'll have to report back to Max on it not working. Hey Max. Yeah, why isn't it started yet? Yeah, no, I don't think it's going to work. It's not working for me. It's not working for me, Max. I tried reloading it like 3 or 4 times. It's not working. And it starts pinching me every time I try to reload it, so. Man, I really wanted it to work. Yeah. Sorry, Max. It's okay. Machinery's stupid anyways. It's not stupid, it just doesn't work sometimes. I guess I'll have to do it for this video. 12-minute video, I guess. I think that's pretty good. What do you think of it while it lasted, though? It was fun. It was fun while it lasted. That's good. At least you had fun with it. That's what matters. That makes me feel better that you had fun with it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And goodbye. Hopefully our next thing doesn't break. Don't tell them. Don't tell them, okay? Goodbye.